Welcome back to Hopline. This is a quick tutorial on how to add a thread to your GoPro El Grande stick or any similar device. The GoPro El Grande selfie stick is probably my favorite pole. It's extendable, it's really durable, it's got a nice grip. The only thing, it's a little bit heavy, and the new version, if you buy it right now, is missing a thread. So if you buy it, it comes without a thread. It used to have one, but if you look at the comments on YouTube, you can probably tell why they left it away. I think a lot of people attached an extension to it, which it is not made for, and it broke. So in the new version, they skipped it, they left it away. If you want to use a tripod like this on your El Grande selfie stick, the easiest way to do this on the new version that comes without the thread is just to force this in here. This will actually cut a thread into the lid plastic, and it works. I tried it, I used it for a couple of weeks, and it works, and it didn't break. The second version, which I'm showing you today, which is a little bit more convenient, is adding a thread to your El Grande. This is how the old version looks like, and this is the new version with the little insert I actually put in here. All you need for today's tutorial is actually a drill and one of those threads you can buy on Amazon, eBay, wherever on the internet. They're really tiny, they're inexpensive, I think less than $1. They are 1/4 of an inch tripod threads or for any photo equipment, and I'm gonna show you how to mount them to your El Grande. So the first thing we do is make the hole bigger. It's according to your little insert that you're using, but I used an 8mm drill and just made the hole a little bit bigger. So once you drilled the hole, which is not bigger than the smaller part of the insert, you need a soldering iron and put this on, make it really hot, and just melt it into the El Grande. So I'm really pleased with the result. If you would show this to a random person, they say it's meant to be like this and probably say it came like this. So it's a really professional way to make it. It's really durable because of these little cuts on the side that will melt into the plastic. And they go, one ring goes to the left and the other one goes to the right, so there's no way this will unscrew over time. So I'm really pleased with the outcoming of this little hack, whatever you will call it. And it's something you can do yourself. It's really inexpensive, it's really quick, and solved my problem going from the old one to the new one without the thread. So I'm really pleased with the outcome, and I hope you will be too. If you have any questions and comments, just post below and I will try to get back to you. See you next time.